kids, good morning everybody. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and safe at your home. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Kids, now my channel name has been changed. Before it was Study for Kids, now it is Splendid Kiddos. I was thinking, though you are my viewers, my kids, you are all splendid kids, right? So why don't I change my name like Splendid Kiddos? That's why I changed my channel name as Splendid Kiddos. Now, kids, if you remember my other videos, if you like my videos, please give thumbs up. If you give thumbs up, it will motivate me to make more good videos for you. Okay, right? Remember you kids that previous videos I have discussed regarding the CVC word, right? In the order of the phonetics, there are some rules. What is that rule? First you have to learn the phonic sound of alphabets, right? Then CVC word, then CVCE word, after that CVCC word, what I had explained to you. Then blending start. Blending, two types of blendings. One consonant blend, another vowel blends, right? Then diagrams, what I discussed you last day. After diagrams, we will come to the diphthongs. Diphthongs is very much important in our British English. Okay. After diphthongs, we will learn R controlled words and rhyming words. After that, vowel tunes. Now, today I will discuss you about the diphthongs. Let's begin to the topic. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any comments, please your valuable comments in my comment section. Okay, let's begin to the topic. Now, let's begin to the topic. What is this? This is diphthongs. 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 D means D-I. D means two pure vowel sound. That means when the two pure vowel sound is sitting together and another different sound will come, that is called diphthongs. Here are some of the examples of the diphthongs. What is this? AW. AW is AU, means aw. AW sound is aw. EW is sound oo. OO means EW sound is oo. OY means sound is oi. OW sound is ow. This is aw, ow, oi, oo. Okay, that is the sound. So diphthong bundle. What is this diphthong bundle? Diphthong bundle is called a sound formed by the combination of two vowels in a single syllable in which the sound begins as first vowel and moves towards another as coin, loud, owl. That means diphthongs. What is the meaning? Meaning is a sound formed by the combination of two vowels. That means diphthong means the combination of two vowels and sound will come into the different sound. That means two vowel sound. One vowel sound is just going to the another vowel, another next vowel, and sound, when the sound will come from that syllable, it is one of the different sound. That is called the diphthongs. Let me explain you. When I tell you, see, coin, C-O-I-N, coin. O is the vowel, I is the vowel, but O and I sound is not applicable in this criteria. O sound is O, I sound is E, but O, I sound is not clearly mentioned here. What is the sound? Oi. L-O-U-D, ow, loud, L-O-U-D, loud. Next, owl, O-W-L, owl, owl. Okay. then this kind of things are diphthongs. That means diphthongs especially deals with the vowels. One of the best diphthongs example is the word oil. Here two vowels is there, they are sitting together and create a different sound rather the OI. So what I told you, see, OIL, oil. O is the vowel, I is the vowel. But here in this syllable, O sound and I sound is not clearly mentioned here. The different sound is coming. What is the different sound? Oil, coin, like this. Okay. Now, I will tell you what is the difference between the digraphs and the diphthong sound, so that you have the knowledge, proper knowledge, and you will not mess up with the digraphs and diphthongs. Okay. Already you know that diphthongs means a sound and diagram means letters. Okay. So, digraphs and diphthongs. What is the difference? Digraph. Number one, digraph is mentioned with the letters and diphthongs is mentioned particularly the sound. Digraphs, we already mentioned what is that? Vowel and consonant. And diphthongs is deals with the vowels. Now, two letters spell one sound. That means digraphs, in the digraphs, two letters. That letter should be consonant or vowel, maybe both two kinds of things, vowel digraphs and consonant digraphs. So, two letter, one sound. That means two letters is sitting together and one sound. And in the diphthongs, special kind of vowel sound, special kind of vowel sound is created in that diphthongs. Diphthongs means especially the sound, it's not the letters. So what is the digraphs? SH, CH, TH, WH, CK, PH means sha, cha, tha, va, ka, fa, ng, a, e, I, e, u, o, ow, o, w, l, o, u, e. This kind of things are called digraphs. And the diphthongs is combinations of the two vowel sound. Now, let me clear you. After, if I give you some example, it is better. See, O. O means two types of A-U and A-W. The sound is O. Let us see. If I tell you August, how I will pronounce August? Means sound is O. Then A-W, saw. Okay. So, when I use A-U, it will be in the middle of the syllable or the beginning of the syllable. But when I use AW, it will be used in the end of the syllable. OI. Next is OY. OY is, one is OI, one is OY. So, when we use OI, oil. That means when we use OI, diphthong sound, it is the beginning of the word. But when we use OY, it is ending in the syllable. See, OI is oil, coin, OY is boy, toy, like this. Then third one is OO, means oo. One is OO, another is OW. So when I use OU, tool, tool. That means when I use OOO, it should be beginning of the syllable or the middle of the syllable. But when you use EW, then it should be used in the end of the syllable. That means the, let me give you example, screw. S-C-R-E-W, screw. That means EW is last in the syllable. A tool, moon. That means OO in the middle of the syllable. And in the case of tool, in the case of moon also, OO is sitting in the middle of the syllable. That another is OW, ow. One is OU, another sound is OW. So when I use OU in the middle of the syllable and the beginning, cloud. Cloud spelling is C-L-O-U-D, cloud. That means OU is used in the middle of the syllable. O-U-T, out. O-U is used in the beginning. That means beginning also I am giving example to you. Middle also I am giving example to you. Now, ow, cow. C-O-W, cow. That means O-W is in the end of the syllable. Paw also, A-W is end of the syllable. Okay. Now, give some more example. O-Y. O-Y is joy. Okay. O-Y is joy. O-I is, she pointed to the noise. The boy likes toys. So O-Y example is joy, toy, soy, annoy, destroy. All are in the end of the syllable. Look. And O-I, oil, beginning of the syllable. Boil, middle of the syllable. Foil, middle of the syllable. Soil also middle of the syllable. Now, A-W and A-U. A-W mostly middle of the syllable and A-U is the beginning and the middle of the syllable. What I explained here. Here also the same. A-W some word. I am giving some word. A-W paw. That means end. End of the syllable. A-U inside. The middle of the syllable. Faucet or fawn. Draw. Straw. Hawk. All is end and middle. This one is middle. Faucet, August, cause, hall, launch, like that. Okay. That means O-A-U is the beginning and middle of the syllable and A-W is the end of the syllable. Now, let me give you one note. What is A-Y and A-I? You know, some of the word when I am using A-Y, that means it should be in the end of the syllable. And when I am using A-I, if the sound A-I is in the middle of the word, that means when I use A-I, A-I is present in the middle of the word. And when we use A-Y, it means it is end of the, its position is end of the syllable. This is only note. So, I am giving one chart to you regarding the diphthongs. What is that? O-I, oil, voice. That means here, O sound is O, I sound is E. But we are not pronouncing the separate sound of O and I. And different sound is coming out from the O-I diphthongs. What is the different sound? O-A, oil, voice. O-A, O. O-A, O, boat, oat, A-U, O, August, sauce, U-E, different sound is coming. We are not using A sound, E sound is not we are using. The different sound is coming. What? U and E when they are sitting together, different sound is coming. What is that? Glue, true. O-Y, what is that? Oil, boy, joy, toy. O-W, what is the sound? Ow, cow, own, owl. O-O, what is the different sound? Oo, goose, choose. E-W, ew, means flew, chew. This is the diphthongs. So, hope you like my today's video. If you have any comments, give in comment section. And my previous videos link I will describe my previous link in my comment section so that it is better for you to make you understand. So till then, good day, stay safe. Now again next day I will come with another exciting topic. Okay, bye bye.